Balasore is basically in between Bhubaneswar and Calcutta. It is in between Haldia Petrochemicals and Indian Oil Petrochemical, which will be there in Paradip. As an end user, blue film manufacturers, roto molded products, we have lot of injection molded products. We have people from pipe industries. They all have participated. Most of the participation is from in and around Odisha, from Raipur and from Calcutta also. Basically, if you see the first edition of it, we have got a lot of end users, but somewhere we are lacking to get the machine manufacturers in the expo, which will be our most important target for the next expo. But overall, if you see the infrastructure and the way we have managed the expo, I'm sure people would have a good experience coming and taking part in the expo. People, as when we had approached a lot of people didn't have much idea about Balasore and exhibiting in Balasore because it's a B town. But when now people have come down from basically from Calcutta and Raipur, they have given a very good feedback about the expo. We are taking it all. We are taking all the feedbacks and we'll be improving it on the next edition. See, Balasore has a great potential if I take, because of the locational advantage, as I said before. Because we have a proximity to raw material, we have good proximity on the end user on our market. Basically, we are closer to a lot of end user places. We have a good port facility, Paradip. We have a good that ways we can have a good international trade. Paradip, as compared to have is a very cheaper port facility. Rates are very cheaper for exporting as compared to other port facilities. Whereas we have a lot of government policies which are very beneficial for Odisha. Let us take EPM rate contract we have for state government purchases. Not only that, we have a lot of subsidies from government, from state government, which gives a boost for the new enterprise. Apart from interest subsidy or capital subsidy which we are getting, we are getting VAT reimbursement from government, from the state government for the first 5 years. These policies do help to a startup. Not only this, we have APPTC, Advanced Plastic Processing Technology Center, which is a unit of CIPET. They are helping us in a great way to get new skilled manpower in Balasore, and they are giving a good technical support also in Balasore. That is actually helping us a great deal to create Balasore as a plastic hub of Odisha. Upcoming industry, if I have to say in Balasore, it can be a lot. There are a lot of things basically. Let us first, let's say injection molded. I think we have a lot of exposure for injection molded items. I think people will have a good potential to invest in injection molded items. But not only injection molded, if you see the viability of Balasore as a place for plastic, it will be great because we have formed a plastic cluster. Now what cluster does is basically clustering will allow us to have a common warehousing, a common testing facility. So when we have a common testing facility, we don't have to invest on our own testing facility. We can take, so I have to invest less on the infrastructure which I have, which may not be possible if I am establishing it somewhere else. A member of NOSI, I'll request all to come down first and see Balasore. We will help you in all regards in connection to the government. We have an incubancy center in NOSI where you can take your office and you can start up right from day one. And as an association, we will support them in all regards.